This video, I'm going to show you one of the best ways to earn money online using ChatGPT. I know this tool is really popular right now. Sometimes people can get confused like, hey, how can I use it to really earn money even if I don't have money to invest? Well, I'm going to show you everything in this video. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can use ChatGPT in order to earn money online. And by the way, guys, please watch the entire video because I want to make sure that you're not going to miss any steps. And at the end, I'm going to be sharing with you another way in which you can earn even more money online. Now, let me share you my screen because I want to make sure that we are actually here on the same page. First of all, guys, let me tell you a disclaimer here. I mean, this is a situation that has been happening. First of all, there is someone, a person or a group of people who are creating fake YouTube profiles, okay? Asking people to reach them via WhatsApp. Okay, I don't use WhatsApp. So if you notice that there is someone reaching you with my picture, with my profile picture, asking you to reach them on WhatsApp, that's definitely not me. Another situation that I realize, and this is because the community let me know, is that there is there is a person, there is a company, there is a group of people who knows that they're using part of one of my videos and they took it out of context. Okay, they took it out of context and they are showing it on this video as if I'm using an app. I'm not 100% sure if this app is a game, but what people told me is an app that is promising, people to make money online. Actually do not use any kind of games to make money online. I'm not promoting that. Okay, someone, as I told you, it's using part of my video and they took it 100% out of context and they are using me as a testimonial. So if you saw a video that it's outside of this YouTube channel, hey, report it, okay? Because that's definitely not me. Now, let me show you everything step by step. Let's go to the strategy. Okay, as you can see here, I am on the website that is called openai.com. Here on openai.com, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click here where it says try chat GPT. Okay, here on try chat GPT, you will need to create an account, but don't worry, this tool is free. You can use a valid email address. You can use your Gmail account or your Google account so you can log in. Okay, once you log in, you're going to see, and this is going to be actually blank. Okay, this is going to be blank. As you can see here on the left, I have been using this for some other tasks. Okay, and here you're gonna send a message. Here you're gonna be asking ChatGPT, for ideas. Okay, what are we gonna be doing? It's that we are gonna be selling, or we are actually gonna be using the print-on-demand business model. Don't worry, you don't need to pay anything in advance. You don't need to be contacting the supplier. Okay, I'm going to show you everything step by step. But first, we will need to go with a topic. Okay, the best way to earn is by going with a topic. Okay, here, for example, I'm going with original and funny Father's Day quote. Okay, original and funny Father's Day quote. What I'm putting original at the front, it's because I asked ChatGPT for Father's Day's quote and it's using someone else quotes. Okay, here for Jennifer Williamson. Okay, here for Catherine Pulsifier, Pam Brown. No, and I don't want to have any kind of issues with trademarks. So I asked ChatGPT like, hold on. Okay, this is actually fun. This is actually great, but this is not exactly what I'm asking. So you can be specific. Okay. And for example, you can be something like original, vintage, funny, fatters, oops, fatters, the quotes. Okay. And it's going to be creating more. It says, sure, here are some original vintage style funny Father's Day quote. Okay. So for example, we have this, it says, Happy Father's Day to the man who always knew how to fix anything with duct tape and a little elbow grease. Okay. So you're going to see here, it's asking me, it's actually a variation of what I already asked. So you can also, for example, in my case, my topic is Father's Day. I can put like, hey, I want something original for those fathers who enjoy sports, or for those fathers who enjoy football, if I want to be as specific. Okay. So now that you have a topic, and don't worry, you can create as much as you want. We are going to be creating an account on a website that it's already have what we call traffic. Okay. So that means that people are actually visiting Redbubble in order to purchase things. Okay. They do have different categories. For example, if we go to clothing, okay, you can see that we can sell t-shirts. Okay. We can also sell t-shirts. And we can also sell stickers, which are really, really popular right now. And as you can see, stickers are pure text. Even this is a QR code. Okay. So you don't need to be creating something like super, super specific. The same we can do with the phone cases. Okay. I'm pretty sure that by now, there is a time that you find a quote a phrase that you really like, and you just literally put it. Okay. So we can go with just quotes, but I'm going to actually show you which are the next steps. Okay. I already have an account, but if this is the very first time you're opening this, click here where it says sell your art. Okay. Click here where it says sell your art. If you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Also, please guys, let me know if you really like the print on demand business model, or if you enjoy any other type of business model. And I want to know where you guys are from, because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is available in your area. So now let me continue with this step-by-step tutorial. It is actually really easy and really simple to open a Redbubble account. And there are other websites in which you can do the same. You can go to Google and you can type Redbubble alternative. And one cool thing about Redbubble and these other websites is that they do not ask you just to upload your design there. Okay. You can upload it on as many websites as you want, but here is actually the strategy. Okay. Once you have your account open, okay, you can sell the same piece in as many items as you want. Okay. In as many items as you want. For example, we have the phone cases. We even have the wall art. Okay. So you will need to create your account, and you will need to go here where it says upload new artwork. Okay. There is a really cool website that I like, and for some reason I close it, which is actually Canva. Okay, here on canva.com, it's where the magic is going to get started. Okay, here is actually where the magic is going to get started. And we need to pay attention because they want an image that is actually high resolution. It says that they recommend a high resolution JPEG or PNG or GIF file. To be honest, I really don't suggest you to go with the GIF file because it doesn't have like a good resolution, but with a minimum of 1000 pixels. Okay. Here is some design guides. I suggest you to go with them so you can have a better idea. But here on canva.com, which is actually free for you guys to use, you can click here where it says create a design. Okay. And you're going to click here where it says custom size. Okay. Here on custom size, it's going to ask you like, hey, what's the size that you're going to go with? Okay. You can start with a square size. Let me check again. Okay, 1001 by 1000 pixels. Okay. So I'm going to go with 1000 here. And I'm going to click here where it says create new design. Okay, here is giving me, what we call the Canva, which is the design that is actually blank. Okay, one amazing thing about Canva.com is that we have elements. that we can add, okay? And they are here for you to add them, okay? So you can add different elements. We can add the text, which is what we want. Okay, I'm going to be adding the headline. Okay, let's say that I'm going to go with, okay, okay, I'm going to go with this one. That you might have been born in a different area, but you are always be the coolest dad. Okay, so this is the one that I'm going to go with. And one cool thing about this, and you don't have to actually worry because maybe this doesn't look the way you want it, is, let's say I can make this a little bit bigger, okay, and it's going to be like that, this, and I can make this actually bigger, okay. So it's actually really, really simple. I can make this smaller. Let's say that I'm going to be making this, that's going to be looking something like this, and maybe I can go with all caps because I want to highlight it, okay. Even I can choose like, hey, this is the effect that I want. Okay, so rather do we like plain, and then it's going to be with this text. Okay, so you're going to notice is that I'm actually using the Canva tools, and I actually can use the backgrounds, and I can also go with themes here. Okay, maybe I'm going to go with this one, or I'm going to go with this one. And once you have it ready, because there is no limit in your imagination. You can combine things and elements, but let's say that you already have this ready. Okay. You can also change here the text. Okay. You can also change here the text if you want. Okay. Let's say that I want to put it here, something like this. Okay. So once you have it ready, let's say that now you have it ready. The only thing that you need to do is you need to click here where it says share. And remember that the system in this case asks you like, hey, we want you to have it on PNG. We want you to have it on JPEG. So I suggest you to go with PNG. And then you're going to click here where it says download. Okay, here you're going to have it on download. So once you have your image ready, and you can do different variations of the exact same saying or the exact same quote. Okay, one with an image, one with certain type of text, one with a different layout. Okay, you can upload it. Okay, this is actually an example. Okay, you're going to see that I can have the possibility to change the background. I can have the possibility here on Redbubble to sell this item in different languages. So you can use Google Translate, or you can even ask ChatGPT like, hey, I want to have an original funny Father's Day quote, but I want it in Spanish, or I want it in Dutch. Okay. Here in French. Okay. Here is the title. If you don't know what the title is going to be all about, it's actually what you write it here. Or you can even ask ChatGPT to do it. Okay. And as you can see, I do have actually several items. This is what actually is really important to follow the size. This is just an example. So that's the reason why it doesn't fit well. But I can tell them like, hey, I don't want to actually sell a t-shirt. So you can disable it or you can enable it. Okay, so this is actually really, really cool way in order to make profit online with actually print on demand. And you don't need to have any kind of crazy design skills, but you need to have the willingness to do this. Okay, guys, but there are several ways to make money online. If you guys want to learn what's my number one recommendation to make money online, so you can make money while you travel, you can make money while you sleep, and you can earn even more money rather than the one that you're going to be using or you're going to be earning with Redbubble. I'm going to be leaving a link below. It's my number one recommendation to make money online. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, and if you want to learn more ways to make money online, watch the next video. And also remember that my number one recommendation is going to be even below in the description.